Welcome back everyone. In this video, I will show you how to generate news videos using AI. Avatar, news and everything will be AI generated. So let's play first of all this one.
Says its forces U.S. troops arrive in attacks have and free public transport offered as war push.
So you can just change this avatar, whatever avatar you want to use. So you can use that and we will generate now this AI generated news video in a few minutes. So let's start and generate the video. Before starting, please hit the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. First of all, we need to generate our character. So for that, I have a prompt. This is a prompt. You have this prompt in the description. Copy this prompt and come here to the Google Flow or Whisk AI or any other tool to generate your character, image. So paste this here and select this here. You can select the adjustment like 16:9 ratio, okay, 2. That is okay, and generate these images. After generating these images, we will convert this image to a video. So one of them has been generated and the second one, it says it might violate our policy. So let's delete this one and we will leave this one. Now we will convert this image to a video. So simply come here, down here we will click on this instead of image. We will convert now to video. Let's select here, just come here back. So here we will select now video. Look at the right side, we can select video and here we will select frame. So the frame is this one that we already right now we generated, and we will generate one video and fast, and we will use 20 credits for one. I think we have the credits because I didn't bought it. This is a free version, so we will use this one. Okay, that's it, this frame. And here I will write, she is speaking straight to the camera and sometimes look to the papers, like this. Let's press this button. We have credit. Yeah, I think we have credit to generate the video. So it will convert now this image to a video. Let's wait. So our video has been generated. Let's click on it. Look at, this is our video. Let's wait until it play it. Yes, so now let's download it. So to download this, just come here to the download button and we can just as a GIF or original size 720 pixels. So we will download that one. Look at that, has been downloaded. One thing else that I should mention, if you would like to change this character and place your own character, so for that you can just upload your own character. Okay, so simply just come here to the image. Would like to generate the image and here upload your own file. Just come here to the upload and upload your image whatever you want. So it will create the character regarding to that you uploaded. Okay, it will create that anchor. So that's it. Now what else we need to do, we will move to the dream face now. So let's now open Google AI Studio. Okay, for voice generation. So here we will click on text to speech. Okay, so here we have this free text to speech TTS. Okay, these two are paid, but this one is free. Select this one to convert our news to AI voices. Come here to the single speaker. So here now we will paste our news. So for the news, just come here, BBC News. BBC News or VOA or CNN or somewhere, whatever news you want. So you can just open the website and copy your news. For example, this one. You can just copy the title or all news. I will copy this title and paste that here. What else I want to copy? So we will save this image also. Let's save the image also. Come here to the downloads and save that. Let's copy the second news. Copy this and come here and paste that also. Save the image for this one also. Let's save that. That's it. So just these two news. So after that, now let's convert this text to speech. For that, here you can select the voice per male and female. For example, we want to select the female. That's it. Let's play it.
Ready to make something amazing?
So I will select this Corey, this one. After selecting this voice, so now let's press this run to convert this text to speech. So our text has been converted like this.
Iran says its forces wait as U.S. troops arrive in region. Tax halved and free public.
So let's now download this. Simply press the download button so it will download this voice. First was until this area that we copied the news, the images, and we have all them in download section. Yes, we have them. Let's minimize this. Now we will move to the dream phase to change our character according to the speech that we generated. Simply search for dream phase. Let's click the first website, which is dream phase app. So after opening this dream phase app, so it will looks like this. We will create our account inside this. Let's press start now. So here, let's simply here we will click our photo or video. We can upload our photo also and a video also, but we have generated video. Simply here we will create our account. Okay, I will create account, then I will come back. So after creating your account, so here we can upload our photo or video. So got it. Simply just come here and we will select our video. We can select photo also, and here you can paste your text, or but we have audio, so I will upload my audio. Come here and choose from asset, choose from device, and we will select this audio also. Now it will adjust that. Let's wait until it is making it for us. Look at it will come just a second. Yes, so select this your avatar. Now let's generate it. So it will generate now our avatar and we will download that in the creation mode. So our video is ready. Let's play it.
Forces waiting as U.S. troops arrive in region. Fuel tax halved and free public transport offered as war pushes up prices in Australia.
So it's set. Okay, now let's download this. Press the download button to download this video. Okay, so let's wait until the download. So when the download completed, now after generating all your videos like this, then you will use an editor to combine all these stuff and also join images with that. You can use CapCut editor, but I have Camtasia. I will use Camtasia. Okay, so for the Camtasia, open Camtasia. After that, come here to the media section and import your videos. For example, just come here to the download section. This was our video and I will upload the images also as we saved. So the saved images, we can't see them because the extension of them was changed. Just come here. So let's check the extension of them. So this is WebP and this is also WebP. So we cannot import WebP inside Camtasia. So I will convert them to PNG or JPG. After conversion, now let's import them. Come here to the import media and we will select these two images. Come here and open them. So let's bring first of all our video here like this, and after that we will bring the first image here and we will make it like this somewhere at the right side or left side, wherever you want, and bring the second image here. Get to the right side or left side. You can adjust it.
Iran says its forces waiting.
We can add animation also, or we can simply, let's come here. You can just play with editing. Okay, let's add animation to this image, like so. That's it. Okay, we have done that. Let's play it now.
Iran says its forces waiting as U.S. troops arrive in region. tax halved and free public transport offered as war pushes up prices in Australia. Iran says it's...
So if this video was helpful for you, please hit the like button and also comment down and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.